Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Fenzo Malela. I'm your education expert, and today I am sitting down with Debbie, who is one of our course experts here, and she's going to be going in depth on all the ICB courses.
Good afternoon.
How are you, Debbie?
Good. Thanks. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. Thank you very much for sitting down with me today.
No problem. From the beginning, normally when I speak to the students, I inform them that we are a distance learning college. It's basically more correspondence than actually online. But our study groups are online study groups. And then obviously how everything works, what the credits are, and where they can start. Somebody maybe wants to do the diploma, but they've never done the other levels. So obviously, I mean, if they got matric, they're going to start with the first level anyway.
And is this for the native business management or for the ICB?
No, this is now the Certified Financial Accounting, the diploma from the ICB. So it starts with the junior bookkeeping, which is the foundation level. That's the first 4 subjects. Now, somebody that hasn't got matric, that's only got grade 10, you will start that person with that. Also, depending on what it is, you get a lot of students, they apply for courses, just any course. They just click on a course, but they're not sure what they want to do. So then you need to ask them, I mean, what is your dream? What's your passion? What's your strong points? What it is where do you see yourself in 5 years? Something like that. And then what I normally do is I ask them, what is your high school grade? Okay, I only got grade 10 or even grade 9. But then they will say, okay, but my passion is accounting. What's your goal? What's your goal? What do you want to do in the accounting? Because up until the senior bookkeeping, that actually basically makes you already a financial manager. Understand the NQF 3 and 4. But obviously, if you do not have grade 11, you cannot start on the NQF 4. Register directly for the NQF 4. You have to start with the junior bookkeeping.
So if you have your grade 11, then can you just start with the
you can register. No, you're still going to do the first level, but you can register directly for the NQF 4, the senior bookkeeper, which is then 6 subjects. In other words, it's your business literacy, bookkeeping to trial balance, payroll and monthly SARS returns, computerized bookkeeping, including pastel, your financial statements, and cost management accounting. Understand? It's all 6 subjects, which gives you your NQF 4, which is also matric equivalent to NQF 4, but it also makes you a financial manager. So for a student that would like to rather work in the finance department or in your debitors or creditors, you'll give that. You'll suggest that route. Understand? Because they don't really need more. But if their goal is to become an accountant one day, then you can say, okay, do and they got grade 10. Start with your junior bookkeeping. So a lot of students they don't qualify to do the adult matric, and they don't want to do the matric anymore because they may be in their 40s, 50s already. Understand? So they haven't got the time to go and sit and do a matric. Understand? So students like that, I will suggest, okay, I'll ask what your goal is or what your passion is. Now I want to go into the accounting field. Then I will say, you know what? Let's get you registered for the junior bookkeeping, then the senior bookkeeping. Once you complete the senior bookkeeping, then we can register you directly for the Certified Financial Accounting Diploma, which is then the next 2 levels actually. Understand?
Yes.
Because you get your junior bookkeeping, then your senior, then your technical financial accounting. That is basically the NQF 5. That's also a diploma, but with that with the technical financial accounting level, that's basically like a tax practitioner. Already. So then once you done the NQF 6 diploma, you are basically an accountant, but you cannot sign off. You can do the financial statements, but you cannot sign them off because only a chartered accountant can. But then you can also go over to CIMA. Understand? We now somebody with a Certified Financial Accounting Diploma will obviously get exemption for the CIMA certificate in business account. They will start on the operational level.
Yeah.
Understand? They might still get to 1 or 2 subjects from the operational level off as well. And then they'll start there. But then you get people with BCom degree, BCom degree, BTech degree. So you need to know what the differences are. Where did they do this? What university or college or wherever? Where did they do their degree?
Yeah.
For CIMA's globally.
Yeah.
It's from the UK. So, I mean, they're going to look. Somebody in Stellenbosch will definitely get exemption.
Yeah.
Somebody from UNISA might not get exemption. Understand?
Yeah.
So, CIMA is very complicated. You need to know CIMA to be able to do CIMA.
Yeah.
So, we get a lot of students that ask for CIMA, but they don't even know what it means. Understand? They don't qualify because you have to have matric with pure math and accounting in a higher grade.
Okay, so there's
to be able to understand CIMA.
Yeah.
So you can on the CIMA website it says you can have grade 10. Yes, by all means you can try it, but I promise you, you're not going to pass it. There's no way you can pass that. No. Rather help the student the right way. Get them, okay, you know what, you didn't have accounting in school, so why don't you just do the junior and senior bookkeeping? Just do that or just do the bookkeeping.
Yeah.
You do have matric, just do the bookkeeping course, just to get you that
into the
accounting field, so you can get all the basics.
Yeah. And
then then we'll take it from there. Then see if you understand that. Because remember, CIMA's management accounting. That's, I mean, the highest you can go. And then you get students that does have matric. They can do the register directly for the NQF6 diploma, but obviously they're going to do all 12 the subjects.
Yeah. Yeah.
Either or. It's just broken up for students that does not have matric to help them also to get into the field where they actually want to be.
Yeah.
And then you get your office administration. I get a lot of students that wants to do office administration, but a lot of them doesn't have matric. So obviously for the office administration, you do need matric.
Yeah.
Unless you are 23 years and older with at least 3 years of working experience in admin.
Okay.
I understand. Then you can help them with a recognition of prior learning and age exemption.
Okay. And how do those two work?
Okay. If a person, say for instance, a student is 35, but he's got 4, 5, 6 years of working experience in the admin field already.
Yeah.
He's been a PA, he's been a junior office administrator basically, but he doesn't have the qualification because he doesn't have matric. But he's got those working experience and he is long over 23.
Yeah.
Then I will say, okay, you will be able to do that. Okay, they do not have a matric to give you, but they do have an updated CV.
Yeah.
So you'll take inform them. ICB will ask for his school qualification, obviously, and then the updated CV.
Okay, and does that work for all programs, not just office administration, in terms of the recognition?
Age exemption, yes. I'll get to the business management one now. But for the office administration, then obviously with the age exemption, you cannot register them for the diploma.
Yeah.
For the NQF6, no. You can start them with a junior office administrator.
Okay.
So they'll do the first level, and then they can do 3 subjects if they just want a higher certificate. The NQF is also in NQF5. But I suggest, you know what, don't take your time because it's going to take you much longer. Yeah. Do the first 6 subjects, then do the next 6 subjects, which is your diploma.
Yeah.
Which is also nice because ICB is internationally recognized. So with the office administration, you can go to any company. You can go into, you will qualify as an HR manager, financial manager,
okay,
office manager, marketing manager. You qualify in all those fields.
Yeah.
So you open doors for you,
Yeah.
for yourself.
And this is with the office administration.
The office administration, yes.
You heard it here, guys. Don't sleep on that office administration course. Yeah.
So with and also, okay, ICB is worldwide recognized over 100 different countries.
Yeah.
But the office admin itself, there is countries that it's not necessarily that the office administration is recognized overseas.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we get to the business management. There's also just 2 levels.
Yes.
The first 3 subjects, which they took from the diploma to help students that doesn't have matric. But in this case, you have to have at least grade 11.
For the business administration course. Yes. Okay.
And they maybe say 40, 50. I will go for the older people, like people that's over 35.
Okay. Yeah.
I will say, you know what, why do you want to do matric?
Oh, okay.
Do the business management.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
Rather do this. I mean, it's more like a business matric because it's not a matric equivalent as such.
Yeah.
It's only the NQF4 that's
the
equivalent.
Yeah.
So I will suggest do that, the 3 subjects, get your NQF4, which gives you the entrance requirements you need to be able to finish the diploma. Now with a business management diploma, that one is recognized overseas, definitely. And with the business management one, after you do finish the 3 subjects, you can continue, do the remaining 9 subjects, get the diploma, and you open all your doors for you.
Yeah.
Because you qualify for all the any management position, but you can also open your own company.
And just to clarify, all of these courses that we're talking about now are not limited to a single industry, right? You can work in any industry with any of these qualifications.
Yes, definitely. So, I mean, you can say, for instance, they're looking for a marketing manager, or they're looking for a sales manager, or any manager in Volkswagen, BMW, or at the bank, wherever. But your banks today are mostly looking at your that CIMA certificate. I want that.
Okay.
But with the business management, are always, especially matrics that just finished school, they're not sure what they want to do. No, I like this and I like that, but I'm not sure what I want to do in 2-3 years. Then I normally ask them, what was your strong subjects in matric?
Yeah.
Where do you feel you're comfortable in? Like, was it maths? Was it science?
Was it accounting?
Then if they're not sure, and they basically standard on basically all their subjects, then I always tell them, I suggest them to take the business management. Because on a later stage, I mean, it's no use you do, okay, I want to be a marketing manager, so I want to do marketing.
That's not very...
Or I want to do HR.
Yeah.
I want to be in HR. Later, and if you don't get a job in HR, if there's not opportunities in HR, what you going to do?
Yeah.
I always suggest them to look at the business management. Because with the business management, you can go in any field.
Yeah.
Later, so for instance, especially my daughter, when she finished matric, she wanted to be a doctor first. Then she wanted to become have her own business. Then she wanted to do this. I said, do the business management. Because definitely you're not sure what you want to do.
Yeah.
So do that because you qualify in all fields. So I suggest them to rather do that.
Yeah.
If you go for an HR qualification, then you can only qualify in HR. If there's no HR positions open anywhere, you're stuck with the HR qualification.
Yeah.
If you got a marketing, same. You can only do marketing.
Yeah.
Understand? With business and even office administration, spread your wings. Opportunities is endless.
Okay, this is very interesting. I didn't know the ICB courses with this in depth and just had.
No, it is because people doesn't really. They just think, okay, ICB, because it's a accredited course, let's just do it. But you get a lot of students that they're not even sure what they want to do. So you have to. That's where the course experts come in.
Yeah.
You need to ask them all these questions.
Yeah.
You have to make sure. Listen, what you're going to do for this student? What was his strong points? If people tell me they've got these subjects and this is actually their passion to work with kids, but they do have matric, then I will say, okay, do educate, do your N4 to N6 educate, because it's accredited, and nowadays everybody knows you have to have an accredited qualification to qualify at the Department of Education. So then I suggest that. But if a student, you get a lot of students that wants to work with kids and they want to work in daycares and creches and like that, which doesn't have matric, then I tell them, why don't you rather just do a business management NQF4, get that matric equivalent, and then do the N4 to N6 and educate. Then you can do it. Or do your matric, finish your matric. I'll rather inspire them to finish their matric. Because I mean, people don't really, they don't realize. It's not like years ago. In my time, when I was young, you could leave school in grade 10 and you're fine. You didn't have to do matric. Now, you have to do matric and you still can't get a job with your matric and all. Understand? So it just, and now all of a sudden, just this last 2 years, 2-3 years, all the companies requires that matric or matric equivalent.
So guys, get your matric certificate, and if you can't, do a matric equivalent course.
Right? Come speak to Skills Academy. Speak to me. I'm here for you.
Okay, well, that brings us to the end of this video, guys. Thank you very much for joining us. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. We love talking to you guys, and we will make sure that we answer as many questions as we can. Thank you very much for sitting down with me today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.